Before, this watch looked like this. It looked like this. A few months ago, I turned my G-Shock into a full metal Casioak mode, trying to give it that AP Royal Oak look. But lately, I kinda started missing the original G-Shock. I miss how light it was and how comfortable it was. So today, we are bringing it back. Don't get me wrong, the mod was actually amazing. For the money, it completely changed the watch. It made G-Shock feel heavier, more premium, and people noticed it instantly. But after wearing it for months, I realized something. The whole reason I loved G-Shock in the first place was because it was simple, lightweight, durable, easy to wear. And somehow, the mod took a little bit of that away. I think that's what happens with watches sometimes. You try to turn them into something else, and then, one day, you realize you already liked what they were originally. So, let's bring this thing back to life. I honestly forgot how this thing even came apart. The first time I did this mod, I was terrified of scratching the watch. Now, it feels weird doing the opposite. And honestly, this case is still pretty impressive for something from AliExpress. If any of you want to build your own Casioak mod, I'll leave the exact case link down in the description. And if you want to see the full transformation video, where I actually built this thing from scratch, check out the original video after this one. I still think this mod looks incredible, especially for the price. And honestly, if you like heavier watches with that Royal Oak inspired look, this is probably one of the best mods you can do to a G-Shock. But for me, I think I started missing the simplicity of the original design. There is something really cool about watch staying true to what it was designed to be. And the G-Shock was never trying to be luxury. It was trying to be a really good G-Shock. And honestly, that's enough. Also, if you're into watches like this, vintage stuff, G-Shocks, weird watch projects and restorations, consider subscribing. I've got a lot more watch videos coming. And seeing people who enjoy this hobby finding my channel is honestly really cool. It's actually kind of satisfying seeing it become G-Shock again. At the moment original bezel goes on, it instantly feels familiar. I forgot how comfortable this was. The crazy part is, this watch doesn't need to pretend to be anything else. It already has its own identity. And honestly, that's probably why G-Shock became so popular in the first place. And just like that, the Casioak is gone. And the original G-Shock is back. I still think the mod looks awesome, and I'm glad I tried it. But right now, I think I'm gonna keep this one original for a while. So now I'm curious, will you keep the mod or go back to stock? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.